Welcome back, everyone. We do have some showers and storms out throughout our region right now. To get a heads up on what we can expect now and in the hours ahead.
Yeah, Tina, more storms are going to be on the radar. We are looking at some very dark, ominous looking clouds south of downtown. This is the view from our Savannah camera. Dry in the city right now, but Viper radar very active for us right now. A lot of lightning developing with these storms as they are able to also produce a lot of heavy rainfall as they are popping up. Mainly along I-95. That's where you have some heavier cells, of course, just inland from there into Bryan County, also into the southwestern part of the area. For Bacon and Appling County, a lot of lightning just to the east of Alma, and any of these storms will be producing high rainfall rates, so localized flash flooding will be a concern. And also because we have a little bit of extra moisture today and it's fairly hot for us, temperatures are in the lower 90s for many of us. Any of the storms that develop will be able to produce some breezy and gusty wind, but check out all the heavy rain down to McIntosh County. This is pushing toward the coast just off to the north into Liberty County, moving toward Pembroke and into northern Bryan County itself, producing a lot of lightning, frequent lightning. With that, this cell is likely producing some gusty straight line wind in excess of 35 and 40 miles per hour. We also have the sea breeze coming in and also some outflows, so we will have to watch to see how that interacts with this cell. We may see that intensify a bit as it gets that extra little bit of lift from those storms that were developing into Effingham County and into portions of Chatham County. But Springfield right now, Rincon dealing with some of that heavier rain. Also just to the west of Sylvania, moving into Screven County, we do have a pretty electric storm moving through Millen right now. So again, that cell would be one that would be able to produce some of those stronger winds. But where it's been dry, it is still hot. Where the rain has been heavy for us at times, we are in the 70s, 75 degrees right now for Jessup, but feels like temperatures are as hot as 104 degrees right now for Rincon, 106 for Beaufort. So there's a lot more humidity in the air with a southerly component to the wind for us this afternoon. And as we head into the next few days, we will still have high rain chances in the forecast. For Wednesday, we will start off pretty warm. A few spotty showers will be with us, maybe a few thunderstorms before lunchtime, but scattered showers and storms will be setting up for us again with temperatures in the lower 90s for highs. Here's the setup around the southeast. We still have the stationary boundary that's meandering around the region. That's helping to direct more of that moisture into our area. That's going to be staying in place for the next few days, so a few more stormy days are on the way. I do also want to mention that off of the coast, actually, that is an area that the Hurricane Center has highlighted for potential tropical development. I think that regardless of it becoming a tropical depression or tropical storm over the next few days, it may enhance the rain chances along the southeast coast. We also have Tropical Storm Dexter. No threat from that. It is going to be moving away from the U.S. We are watching an area south of the Cabo Verde Islands with a medium risk of developing. Well, more on that in the tropical outlook coming up in a few moments. But as far as the rain for tonight, it will be heavy for us at times, continuing into the overnight hours. It's really not going to be until first thing tomorrow morning when those conditions will begin to dry out a little bit for us as far as those rain and storm chances. But as far as the next 7 days, we're going to be looking at those rain chances staying elevated for us. Temperatures trending pretty close to normal for us, but it will get a little hotter for us, maybe the lower 90s as we head into the weekend and into next week. Morning temperatures staying pretty mild for us in the lower and middle 70s for most locations, so keep an eye to the sky for those showers and storms for tonight and the next few days.